Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Festina Okundia and this is my first time trying out a vlog, so please you'd pardon me. Wait, pause. Did I just say hey guys? Okay. I'm doing a voiceover because like I said, I'm still trying to get the hang of this whole YouTube thingy. Yeah, so as you can see, I'm on my way to Tarkwa Bay. It's an island in Lagos, Nigeria, in a banana boat, a canoe. Wow, that was so much fun. And then the sun was so scorching, you can see, like it was really scorching. I tanned a lot, I got burned, but beach life, who cares? Besides the water fright I had while on the boat and then the very hot scorching sun that hit me hard, I am already loving the vibe on the beach. So we're going into the jungle. I don't know.
Yeah, but look at how picturesque it looks now. It looks very picturesque. Imagine just standing there taking pictures.
Yes, I'm feeling like an island girl and I love it. I love the whole scenery and how picturesque the entire place is. So cool. And most of all, I have the beach all to myself. I miss going to the beach. This is my abode for the weekend and it's called Pop Beach House in Tarkwa Bay. Currently waiting outside before I get checked into my room. Before then, I bask in the not so friendly sun because why not? I was so tired and it's late dinner, but I got this very nice place with sea view and ocean breeze, sweet delicious food, and I had barracuda fish for the first time. Courtesy Nedu. What am I doing? Lead to the mouth. Now I have strength. Let's go to the beach. Eat. Yay. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Yes, I mentioned this water. And the more.
Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Mwah. Modella, a babe more.
Sit, oh, madam. Why are you stunning?
Honestly, I don't know how I was turning up and down, but then that's it. In case you're wondering, those are little crabs. Mr. Krabs! Now I feel like I'm really in Bikini Bottom. Today is just for pictures. So tomorrow I'm just gonna like really put my phone aside and dive into the vibe, the beach vibes.
Watch out.
So it's raining and now I really want to go back into my room, really. I am having so much fun regardless. Like I went a bit into the sea for the first time. Yay! Okay, thanks to Nedu for being so daring because I fought my fears. I went a bit deep into the water for the first time. Like I went behind the where the wave crashes inside the sea I don't know if you get it. If you don't get it, forget about it, my dear. Limao. I'm sorry I couldn't get that recorded because I couldn't take my phone into the water and there was no one there to help me. Good morning. Time for breakfast and we're going through another route to see more of what the island has in store. This is so beautiful, like really beautiful. To be honest, I really love this island life and I wish I really would be here every day because it has its own vibe, nature, like, it's just cool. Now approaching the horse stable on the long walk to breakfast and wow, are they beautiful, like beautiful horses. This is fine. This is a better view of where we eat. Now we're here for breakfast and you can see the artworks, like I'm really loving it. You can see the trees, everything wooden. You can also see the sea from there, like the beach from there, and I'm just loving it. Like I'm loving every vibe. Mwah. And yeah, I had English breakfast. Aside the beach, this is one of my best places in this place. I love it. And yeah, sweet red wine, because why not? Why not? Sucker for nature and natural things, enjoy this view because it's just beautiful and I didn't even get everything in one clip. So here's my dinner for the day. In a tent on the beach for the night. I'm sorry guys, I couldn't get clips of that because I was too tired and I just wanted to be off my phone and enjoy the real beach vibe. Me looking extra tanned than I came. Well, anyway.
Meditate the lovely hour. Okay. So you see those people outside? Yeah. Play for them. They are finished meditating. Okay. We meditate. Okay, thank you very much. Don't forget that I need to once in our kid man. I know your name. I know your name.
It's time to say goodbye. For the records, I stayed 2 nights at Pop Beach House in Tarkwa Bay Island here in Lagos, Nigeria, and I enjoyed every bit of it. Bye! So now now I'm back on lowland since I've been on the island, Limao. So please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And I promise to get better with this and drop more interesting content. Thank you. Mwah.